In this section, you will be asked to find the areas of triangles, and you will also be asked to use the area formula when you are given variables instead of numbers. The area formula for a triangle is A equals 1/2 BH, where B is the base and H is the height. If you look at the diagram on the left, the base B is line segment AB in the triangle, and the height H is segment CD. The base can be any side of a triangle, and the height H is the length of the line segment from the vertex opposite the base to the base itself. The height must form a right angle with the base. It's important to be able to find the height of a triangle. In the last slide, the height was drawn inside the triangle. Whenever you have an acute triangle, meaning that all the angles are less than 90 degrees, the height will be drawn inside the figure. In right triangles, the base and the height are the two legs. In obtuse triangles, the height is often drawn outside the triangle. In the figure below, the dotted line CD is the height. Notice the triangle we're working with is a triangle ABC. AD is an imaginary extension of the base and not part of the triangle itself. Sometimes the height of a triangle is not given directly, but may be given indirectly in other parts of the figure. In the drawing below, the height of the triangle is equal to the side length of the square. In this figure, the height of the triangle is 3. Often, we will be asked to use variables instead of numbers on the SAT. In this problem, a triangle has an area A and a height Z. Find an expression for the base. To find this, we substitute into the area formula. Recall that A equals 1/2 base times height. Since the height is Z, we replace H with Z and obtain A equals 1/2 BZ. To solve for B, we do two steps. The first is we multiply both sides by 2 and obtain 2A equals BZ. Now divide by Z. This gives 2A over Z equals B. Here are some practice problems for you to try. Pause the DVD after each problem. When you are done, come back for the answer. In practice problem 1, find the area of the triangle below. The answer to practice problem 1 is 30. The base and the height of a right triangle are the two legs. The two legs are 5 and 12. That's given to us in the problem. Therefore, the area is 1/2 times 5 times 12, which is 30. In practice problem 2, find the area of the triangle. The answer to practice problem 2 is 16. The trick to solving this problem is realizing that the height of the triangle is the length of the rectangle, which is 8. Substituting gives us A equals 1/2 times 4, which is the base, times height, which is 8, and that gives 16. Practice problem 3. Find an expression for the area of a triangle if the base B equals X and the height H equals 1/2 X. The answer to practice problem 3 is 1/4 X squared. We found it by substituting. We replace B with X and H with 1/2 X. Multiplying the two fractions together gives us 1/4. Multiplying the x's together gives us x squared. Practice problem 4. If the area of a triangle equals 12 and the base equals 8, find the height. The answer is 3. A equals 1/2 base times height. We replace A with 12, which is the area of the triangle, and B with 8. This gives us 12 equals 1/2 times 8h. Simplifying gives us 12 equals 4h. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us 12 over 4 equals h, and of course 12 over 4 simplifies to 3. Practice problem 5. If the area of a triangle is 1/4 x squared and the base is x, find an expression for the height. The answer to practice problem 5 is h equals 1/2 x. Find the answer by substituting into the area formula and solving for h. A equals 1/2 base times height. We replace A with the area of the triangle, which is 1/4 x squared, and we replace B with x. This gives us 1/4 x squared equals 1/2 xh. The easiest way to solve this problem is to multiply both sides by 2. When we do that, we obtain 1/2 x squared equals xh, and we divide by x, and that gives us 1x squared over 2x, which is 1/2 x equals h.